JKR അക്കാഡമിയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം. ആദ്യം തന്നെ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഈ ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിലോ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല എങ്കിലോ ഇന്ന് തന്നെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭ്യമാവുകയുള്ളൂ. ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് കറണ്ട് അഫയേഴ്സ്, ജനറൽ നോളജിലെ കറണ്ട് അഫയേഴ്സിൽ വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട വരാൻ സാധ്യതയുള്ള കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. ആദ്യം ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് കിടക്കുക. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. Who was the first female chief secretary of Rajasthan? Who was the first female chief secretary of Rajasthan? Kushal Singh ആണ്. Kushal Singh. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Name the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Name the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo. ഏതാണ്? ബ്രാസ്വില്ലെ. ബ്രാസ്വില്ലെ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Where was the national squash championship 2023 held? Where was the national squash championship 2023 held? Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Other question. E committee is the initiative of which court? E committee is the initiative of which court? Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court of India. Other question. Where is the Salton Sea located? Where is the Salton Sea located? The Salton Sea is located in the lower Colorado desert of southern California, USA. The Salton Sea is located in the lower Colorado desert of southern California, USA. Other question. Navigation system Mappls app is developed by. Navigation system Mappls app is developed by Map My India. Map My India. Other question. Which state became the first state to map all accident prone sites? Which state became the first state to map all accident prone sites? Punjab. Punjab. Other question. Which country started the term as chairman of BRICS in 2024? Which country started the term as chairman of BRICS in 2024? Russia. Russia. Other question. Where was the 15th BRICS summit held? Where was the 15th BRICS summit held? Johannesburg, South Africa. Johannesburg, South Africa. Other question. Who was the first female teacher in India? Who was the first female teacher in India? Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule. Other question. Who was awarded the M.S. Swaminathan Award 2024? Who was awarded the M.S. Swaminathan Award 2024? Professor B.R. Kamboj. Professor B.R. Kamboj. Other question. What is the theme of World Braille Day 2024? What is the theme of World Braille Day 2024? Reaching out to blind and visually impaired persons. Reaching out to blind and visually impaired persons. Other question. Where was India's first Beach Games 2024 organized? Where was India's first Beach Games 2024 organized? Gokala Beach of Diu. Gokala Beach of Diu. Other question. What has the Reserve Bank of India estimated to be India's economic growth rate in 2024? What has the Reserve Bank of India estimated to be India's economic growth rate in 2024? 6.5%. 6.5%. Who is the present governor of Goa? Who is the present governor of Goa? P.S. Sridharan Pillai. P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Who was the present governor of Goa? P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Other question. Where was the Lok Nidhi Samvad 2024 conference organized? Where was the Lok Nidhi Samvad 2024 conference organized? Hyderabad. Hyderabad. What is the theme of World Seagrass Day 2024? What is the theme of World Seagrass Day 2024? Healthy seagrass, healthy planet. Healthy seagrass, healthy planet. അടുത്ത question. Who has approved the establishment of International Big Cat Alliance in February 2024? Who has approved the establishment of International Big Cat Alliance in February 2024? Union Cabinet of the Government of India. Union Cabinet of the Government of India. അടുത്ത question. When was the Harit Nauka initiative introduced? When was the Harit Nauka initiative introduced? January 2024. January 2024. Other question. Where is the Tavi festival celebrated? Where is the Tavi festival celebrated? Jammu. Jammu. Other question. Which are the two components of the Ayushman Bharat? Which are the two components of the Ayushman Bharat? PM-JAY program and health and wellness centers. PM-JAY program and health and wellness centers. Other question. Who provides GI tag in India? Who provides GI tag in India? Geographical Indication Registry. Geographical Indication Registry. Other question. What is the highest award for music in India? What is the highest award for music in India? Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Other question. Who launched the Nidhi for State platform of Nidhi Aayog in March 2024? Who launched the Nidhi for States platform of Nidhi Aayog in March 2024? Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnava. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnava. Other question. Who won the National Youth Parliament Festival 2024? Who won the National Youth Parliament Festival 2024? Yatin Bhaskar Dugal. Yatin Bhaskar Dugal. Other question. What is the theme of International Women's Day 2024? What is the theme of International Women's Day 2024? Invest in women, accelerate progress. Invest in women, accelerate progress. Other question. Who is the present Prime Minister of South Korea? Who is the present Prime Minister of South Korea? Han Duck-soo. Han Duck-soo. Other question. What is the theme of No Smoking Day 2024? What is the theme of No Smoking Day 2024? Protecting children from tobacco industry interference. Protecting children from tobacco industry interference. Other question. FAME scheme is related to which sector? FAME scheme is related to which sector? Electric vehicle. Electric vehicle. Who is the chairman of NAFED? Who is the chairman of NAFED? Dr. Bijendra Singh. Dr. Bijendra Singh. Other question. Who was crowned Miss World 2024? Who was crowned Miss World 2024? Christiana Faiskova. Christiana Faiskova. Other question. Which team won the title of Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024? Which team won the title of Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024? Haryana. Other question. Who was declared the new Emir of Kuwait in December 2023? Who was declared the new Emir of Kuwait in December 2023? Sheikh Mashal Al Ahmad Al Sabah. ഷെയ്ഖ് മഷാൽ അൽ അഹമ്മദ് അൽ സബാ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Who is the 25th governor of RBI? Who is the 25th governor of RBI? Shaktikanta Das. Shaktikanta Das. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. In which committee recommendations were the major changes in direct and indirect tax policies in India accepted? In which committee recommendations were the major changes in direct and indirect tax policies in India accepted? Chelya Committee. Chelya Committee. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. The most difficult task of modern Indian planning is. The most difficult task of modern Indian planning is mobilization of financial resources. Mobilization of financial resources. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. PMKSY is an important government scheme related to water conservation management. Water conservation management. The best FIFA men's player 2022. The best FIFA men's player of 2022 Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Who won the 52nd Odakuzhal Award? Who won the 52nd Odakuzhal Award? Ambikasudan Mangad. Ambikasudan Mangad. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Who is the present vice chairman of Niti Aayog? Who is the present vice chairman of Niti Aayog? Suman Berry. Suman Berry. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമായെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി നന്ദി പറഞ്ഞു നിർത്തട്ടെ. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.